friends, ice cream truck is here. I quickly took my scooter and went down, as I didn't want to miss the ice cream truck. Here is the ice cream truck from Leela Bhartiya City. It is a cute little truck. And they were giving the ice creams for free. I got the chocolate flavor. It was very tasty. I had not had ice creams from a long time because of COVID, so I was delighted. Looking at me, Aditi also wanted one, so we got it for her. Everyone seemed to enjoy the ice cream truck, and the ice creams made the evening even better. I hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing.